So this is a simple order progress tracker. When I click the checkboxes, the percentage and status of order both change. For example, for Russell's order, when I tick the first checkbox of material, it means I have procured materials and 33% of my work is done and current process is at material stage. Likewise, the percentage and process status updates with every tick. Want to know how I made this? Don't worry, it is quite simple to make. Select a cell and press Ctrl-A to select everything, and then Alt-HBA to apply borders. Select the area you want your checkboxes to be in, then go to Insert and then Checkbox. And you'll have some nice looking boxes. Next, you'll have to use a simple formula to track the progress of the checkboxes. This formula finds how many cells in B2 to D2 have true and divides that by the total number of filled cells in the same range. As a result, it gives the percentage of cells that contain true. Press Enter and copy this formula down. Select your row and then go to Home and Percentage. Use this formula to track the current progress. Press Enter and use the same formula for the rest. Finally, select all your work and press Alt-HLN. This opens formatting rules. Select Use a Formula. Start your formula. Click on the first progress cell and then F4 to lock the column. Make it equal to 0. Then change the format into the color red. After you're done, click OK. And then press Alt-H-LR to open Edit Format Rules. First, duplicate your rule and then edit it. Change the formula to greater than 0. And then change the format to gray. Repeat this same process. But this time edit the formula to greater than 1. Change the format to green this time. Click OK. And then just enjoy having a fully functional progress project tracker. And that's all. I hope you liked the video. If you did,